Good morning, folks. My name is Curtis Chandler, and I'm president here at PFL. We hope that everyone had a fantastic weekend. The Dow closed higher on Friday of last week, but lower by 1,313.53 points week over week. The S&P 500 closed higher on Friday of last week, but was lower 139.26 points week over week. NASDAQ closed higher on Friday of last week, but was down by 442.14 points week over week. In overnight trading, Dow futures traded lower and are expected to open down 117 points. Oil prices settled higher on Friday of last week, but lower week over week. WTI trade up 69 cents a barrel to close at 67.18 per barrel, down 29 cents per barrel week over week. U.S. commercial crude inventories increased by 1.4 million barrels week over week. U.S. crude inventories are 5% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Total motor gasoline inventories decreased by 5.7 million barrels week over week and are 1% above the 5-year average for this time of year. Distillate fuel inventories decreased by 1.6 million barrels week over week and are 5% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane and propylene inventories decreased by 3.4 million barrels week over week and are 10% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane prices closed at 86 cents per gallon on Friday of last week, down week over week, but up 8 cents per gallon year over year. WTI is poised to open up 85 cents per barrel from Friday's close. Total North American weekly rail volumes were up 3.87% in week 11 compared to the same week last year. 7 of AR's 11 major traffic categories posted year-over-year increases. The largest decrease came from metallic ores and minerals, which was down 4.58%. Largest increase was from grain, that was up 14.82%. North American rig count was down by 35 rigs week over week. U.S. rig count was flat week over week, but down by 37 rigs year over year. The U.S. currently has 592 active rigs. Canada's rig count was down by 35 rigs week over week and down by 8 rigs year over year. Canada's overall rig count is 199 active rigs. Overall year over year, we are down 45 rigs collectively. Folks, we've been watching a few things out there for you. North America can be an energy superpower, but Canada needs to be self-sufficient in energy and must work together. Enbridge is very bullish, spending a bunch of money. Mike Rose from Turbine weighs in. Think you will find this clip pretty interesting. See today's report for further details. We are watching the Constitution pipeline out there. The green old deal is over, folks. Natural gas is here to stay. The Trump administration is revisiting the Constitution pipeline. Finally, the Northeast will get natural gas from Pennsylvania. Please see PFL's Rail Report for further details. We are watching key economic indicators this week. Focus is on producer price index and consumer price index. Read all about today's report. In today's report, we also highlight the latest refinery runs, the latest import and export numbers for all petroleum-related products. Petroleum by rail cars are up week over week. Also in every weekly report is the latest and greatest on what cars are available for sale, lease, or sublease. Please call PFL today for all your rail needs, including storage, leasing, subleasing, car cleaning, repairing, flaring, nitrogen generation, and transloading services. We have crews to serve your needs as they arise. PFL will be at Suarez this week in full force. Cindy from our Calgary office, Brian, David, and I will be there. We have a table, so stop by and see us or give us a call on our respective cell phones. We look forward to seeing you there. Have a safe week, folks, and hope you have a good one.